Oh no, you've broken it!
So do you use egg? Do you use egg to make the bind again?
Yes.
Egg in. No, the egg's just for the
top.
put on the top, isn't it?
Mm.
So
It's not
you,
just- not
so
just
you
stick
can
the
just
thing
press the pastry together and it stays? You don't need
Yeah,
to
you don't need
wash it
to.
or anything?
No.
But I do.
Oh, yes.
I like to make it stay that way.
Mm-hmm.
I do them and I use like half a sheet per samosa. Like make these. The salt is going everywhere, but it still tastes good.
Oh, how much is that?
I didn't end up using a fork to.
It's a good idea leaving the plastic on until the end.
That's just quick enough.
As long as you don't do that while it's in the oven.
No,
Yes.
Not so good. Delicious. What about the kids?
That size so much more practical because you can hold it.
Hmm.
Keep it
And it's hygienic. You're not handling it all.
Because everybody else done it this way, and I just
No, never.
Never. Never.
You're a superstar.
Mate, you're going to be an internet sensation. As soon as this goes up onto YouTube, as soon as this goes onto TikTok, you will be. Yeah, you have to do a little dance with it as well. This TikTok, you'll do a little dance.
Okay, so
Sammy?
I kept missing the first bit. So you do something like this and then
You
you
just
you
hold
seal
it.
it up.
You
No?
just hold it and put.
Just hold it. Yeah. Oh, okay. So this is the bit I've missed it twice.
Just like that.
Yeah. And then you do one side and then the other.
So
I prefer the ones that are thinner, that have less of the like it has a thinner layer of foam.
Just, yeah. Try.
Okay.
Easy.
Yes, yes, yes.